You are a continuous flow of energy. And every time, whatever you are thinking, there is a cellular communication. And every cell says, I have to listen to the master. All those 30 trillion cells in your body, they say, we have to listen to our master. And if a thought, you pick up a thought and you go on continuously thinking, let us assume the mantra I have given you, that you make it as a thought with Shraddha Bhakti Vishwas, every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. Without logic, without interference. Yesterday you saw an aura. Suddenly the belief was there, and suddenly the logic man, hope, kya kar rahe ho? And then the aura used to reduce. And then I used to come and say, come on, no, believe in me, and say that. And again the aura is expanding. And there was a fight between the logic, the negative belief, and again, I am trying to program something. So there is always a fight between the guru and the negative belief system. I really pray to the God that guru should always be a victorious, not the negative belief system, because that is what it. So when continuously you say, in every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. So those cells, or every day, in every way, I am becoming healthier and healthier. So any organ which is not very healthy, now there is a communication, intracellular communication. The cells, the neuropeptides, they are secreting, and it is going to another, then it is going to another, then it is going to another. And then when you are continuously thinking the same thought, then after some time, they develop a practice. Then the very first day you will say, every day, and immediately the neuropeptide, every day in every way I am becoming better and better. Message. And then the next time when you have mastered it further, then you say and then say every day in every way I am becoming better. And then after that, you have mastered it so much, you say and they say every day in every way I am becoming better. I'm not joking. It's a fact. I'm only talking about you. And this is called creating the neuro pathway. This is what is called creating a neuro pathway. Why a cricketer? The Tendulkar has become the champion batsman. Why he has to play every day? जब चैंपियन हो ही गए तो वो गेंद फेंकवाते क्यों, वो मारते क्यों जब तुम्हारे को सब हो गया? Why they are doing it? Because every time when the ball is coming, generally the communication method is that you see something, then you send a message to the brain that something is coming, and then the brain say how it looks like. They say it looks like little fast, so it might hit me. So come on, then don't stay there and move aside, or you hit back. That is the communication. But there is another thing which is called the central nervous system. The central nervous system is when you create a neuro pathway. The very first day when the ball comes, and then you have seen the batsman, when the ball comes, and then he does like this. Have you seen it? The clumsy batsman. And most of the time he will miss out. And then after some time, because he is not clumsy, but the communication is the ball is coming. Okay, where should I hit? And then he is doing everything. So every part of his body is moving. But when every day he is playing, then the mind communication is taken over by your central nervous system. And by that central nervous system, it's created a neuro pathway. Then he is very calm, confident, quiet. And the ball comes, and the moment it will come, he is going to hit. the fast ball, this ball, because he has created a neuro pathway. It's already, the understanding is there in the cellular memory, in the muscular memory. So he knows how to play the football, how to play the cricket. Similarly, when you had gone to first time learn how to drive, and when you are driving, somebody sitting next to you say, come on, I'll tell you a joke. Say, keep quiet, let me concentrate. What are you talking? Oh, ये देखिए मैसेज आया सेल्फ, हटाओ परे. Because you have not been able to create the neuro pathway. So it is, the message is going and message, it's taking time before the central nervous system takes over. So this is the training you are giving.